Hi and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going to have a look at The One I Love by R.E.M. So I'm going to start with, so it starts with an E minor. Now I cover E minor with one finger in case you're looking at it and thinking he's not doing E minor. E minor, people will traditionally, it will look like this. And that's how I always used to play it, but the advantage of covering E minor with one finger, so that's across the A and the D respectively, is that when you come to then say add on this occasion, I'm adding in the third fret on the B, it just makes it very easy, and that's just left open. Now E minor 7 I know is done like that. Obviously the Wonderwall chord, as I like to think of it, and if you leave it, take your little finger off, it's probably the way that your hand is configured, but it feels more awkward now with my little finger not being on. So I do this, I put my first finger on here and cover that B with my third finger. Anyway, so you've got this, and it starts with a down, down, up. And that's an 8 strum, and then you're going to very quickly mix your strumming up. You're going to be going into 16, so you're going to go down, down, and then you're going to strike, and that's the first fret on the E to the third fret on the E, and you're going to slide from 1 to 3. So you go, and then open A, and then immediately strike this D sus2. And the D sus2 is the same as a D, but this is left open. So you get this effect. And then he strikes the open E, the thinnest, and then you're going to go to the third fret on the B. So you get this effect. So that glissando or slide, and then you come back to the catch the, and then so all together you get this effect. Do that one more time, slow down. And the strum that's going along with that down. And he's catching this on the back side down, down, down. So it's a sort of like a time of your life, this down, down, up, down, up, with a few little extra parts thrown in with the rhythm. So you got down. And when he does this D sus for the intro parts, and when he does the choruses, it's backbeated, so it's coming in syncopated, it's coming in on and off. But when he does the verses, it's on the beat. So down, down, down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Down, up, down, up. You're going to go to G. I'm doing a little bit, I'm sure he's actually doing this, but it's a little habit of, so you can hammer on the C, get that effect. It's almost like country. Trying to sort of integrate it and make it sound as if you were just strumming through the chord. So you're doing this little part where you're doing part strum, part strike, and then there's a little on this sort of bridgy part that there's a little sort of I mean, it's not really guitar solo, but it's like a little interlude link part. So and then you're sliding there from the second on the G to the fourth on the G, so you get. And then again, slide from the second to the fourth on the G, and then go to the third on the B, and then fifth, So, and then you're going to go. So it's all based around these twiddly bits. It's all very, very, very sort of straightforward guitar playing, but you know, executed beautifully by the band. So and that's pretty much it. That's all the sort of signature parts of the song. Obviously there's loads of little tiny inflections that as bands do, they put in lots of stuff, but generally speaking that will get you, at least will get you started on the song. Anyway, hope you like that. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comments section if you want me to do anything or something you fancy having a go at, and we'll see you next time.